Fire! Fire! Go down a Manuel Road, Gallan boy. Eagle block Rockstone. Cause we say go down a Manuel Road, Gallan boy. Eagle block Rockstone. Go down a Manuel Road, Gallan boy. Eagle block Rockstone. Cause me say Zion is working. Zion is working. Zion is working, so we just go down a Manuel Road, Gallan boy, Pigo Brook Rockstone. Hey, go down a Manuel Road, Gallan boy, Pigo Brook Rockstone. What's up, Speak My Mind family? What's up, what's up, what's up? Jesus, peace, I'm your house early morning. Want sleep and can't sleep. I hear some breed of Rockstone chew up on top of my house top. Every time I come out and look, I can't see nobody. When I climb the house top, I can't see no stone on the house top. It come like a heist, them I use a stone me house top. Because it come like me a dream. Every time, you hear me every time you talk about me if you go back, go on my bed. Every time I lock my eye, I hear like that and my ears dip and you know, like when mosquito bother you. Jesus, I can't lock me eye, I can't sleep. Speak my mind family, what happened this morning? Somebody can explain to me in the name of Jesus. Oh, Lord. And you know, say one thing me glad. One thing me glad, you know, speak my mind family. Make a sip sitting and clear the throat. Yes, man. You clear the throat and then you wash it away. How one thing me glad say. Because the object always I say the woman a call her name. And you see all the stone throwing, not that I the stone throwing. All the buffing and the buffing where she get this morning, all know this woman not call her name. Who no notice? Who notice? All the buffing and the buffing where she get this morning, all know this woman don't call her name. Speak my mind family. You don't know what they do. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend and hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. And please to watch the ads. Continue to support my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscription button over there right now. And when you're looking at the community or in the comment section, you will see Life with Gabby and Chevy and Tamika Douglas TV. I moved Tamika Douglas now from the she's still in the community, but I make it easier for her now to find it because some of you cannot find it. Tamika Douglas TV in the comment section pin and Life with Gabby also pin in the comment section. Give them a subscription. People, I come here for tea girl, but I come here for her on a different angle. But after what I hear this morning, I can't believe there's so much things that go along. And Tina just a walk and tell Life and the woman so for no reason at all. You understand? Them not coming like donut, them coming like twists. Because that's all them walk and do twist things to suit themselves. Jesus, please. Anyway, I know that me come here for. That is for another video. Zion, Zion, I did remember when 99 say she a go stand up and live to see them in a phone. I fight against them one another. Zion, when she go a knee city. Zion. People, you know see exactly what's going on in the phone. Who never believe in a Zion better believe in a Zion now. But when you go Zion, you have to make sure you prepare for go on your knee. Because somehow, you know, especially on Jamaican, we not go on no knee. You have to plan to go on knee when you don't want knee city to work. And Zion to work. You don't see what going on in a phone really? You don't hear what they come and say confusion. This is one year more than confusion. Sophie donkey. I can't believe that Sophie donkey come out panty girl like that. How we really are going in a phone here? 99 did promise us that we is going to see it unfold in phone, but I never know it would have been and been so soon. People, stay tuned and listen what Sophie Dunkley has to say. Hey, no sir. People as me say, I can't believe this is the same Sophia donkey where she were once a part of Tell Like Camp, just like the T-girl. And I remember when the whole saga with this letter business, they were so thick like Camille porridge, you want to look water and story out. You understand? Not even Lord the thick but like them. And Tina. How we really are going? How we them a do? Them a plan for trickery? Because them say when you do anything in life, if you have plan A, plan B, plan C. So if one fail, you go to the next one and you think what to do. So I wonder if this is a part of them plan. If you come and play like, okay, I'm a changed person and I am looking to a different direction. Make we hear what she have to say. Because boy, I tell you, this come like, you know, when you have like a picnic and you talk to them or you say them do things and you allow them to correct themselves and them not correcting themselves and you have to drape them up. I saw she drape up T-girl in this video, you know.
Everybody as much as I like Tina, everybody have their own opinion. Tina cry victim. Everybody trouble everybody on social media. Guys,
Tina cry victim.
Opinion to count.
She
Your
always
views
do.
Might be different from mine. Mine may be different from yours. We are all human beings. On social media, everybody cuss everybody. It's everybody as much as I like Tina. Everybody have their own opinion. Tina cry victim. Everybody trouble everybody on social media. Guys, listen. Your opinion do count. Your views might be different from mine. Mine may be different from yours. We are all human beings. On social media, everybody is everybody. It's either for crowd or for money, but that's the honest truth. That's the honest truth. The way how Tina looks at it is like she is a victim all the way. Tina
Wow,
is saying
so
she
true.
forgive Baker Boy, yeah? But yet, she says she and Dimes, whatever. You think Dimes are gonna friend you and knowing that Baker Boy I support Dimes age? You think Dimes are gonna talk to you knowing that
Zion
Baker Boss
is a green place. Not dry up grass on that Zion.
split justice. Split
Green and flourishing.
Alright.
Heart of it clean for God Zion. You can't go to Zion and your heart not clean. God no answer prayer from dirty heart people. Your heart of it clean, so when you go up on your knee, you have to pass through knee city before you reach Zion. Zion! That's true. That's a fact. Hey, that woman here, she's slow, you know. And she a idiot, you know. And she a run down clout, as what she say, you know. Who run now run down clout, I run down money, I run down this. Well, she a run down clout. But she said some things in this video here where are really true. Even this morning you hear Blanca Bar say it in the video, in the live what she do. So she never see T-girl share her page. And she share out T-girl page so much time. And send people go buy things. So it's true. Let me tell you the people that she share out. You see people who she believe is on top. Those are the people that she share out. You see like how you did see Chef Noel, and she realized that Chef Noel was like a part of the Jamaica tourist board and thing. She have it in the back of her head say him is going places. And him have connection and him have links. And because she's in the same type of thing, because you know it's food, right? She figure more or less, okay, this man can give her help along the way. And this is why she didn't want to cling to Chef Noel like that. So she not really share people on a certain level like that. So what she say is on a lie. 99 said it this morning.
Me, you see me? Me not hear nobody in social media. Me not hear nobody in social media. When you say Planka, you have a good heart. Planka,
A lie. No, sir. I want this woman that come and say she apologized when she jump off of the bridge, you know. The Tell Lie Bridge. Yeah, man. She jump off of the bridge and she said, oh, I want to send me, I want to make me this, and me apologize. And few weeks later, she again against Blanca Boss. No, she said she don't have nothing against Blanca Boss. No, she attack up the things them good about Blanca Boss. No, sir. Confusion. Confusion. Zion attack.
what people page. You will say follow that person there. She always on time put people page on her page. If it's for good or for cost, I don't care. Maybe she promote them. When she promote them, they say, you know what, they go cost the plant kind of anybody trouble my boss, you know, they go cost to them because my boss has support me. Speak justice, man. Speak justice. That's the honest truth. How many platform holder are showing people page per platform? Big up Marcia, anyway, Marcia they curly. Big you up Marcia curly. One big deal in the house. One big deal. Marcia curly.
I got big up Marcia, you know. Because Marcia do share her. Marcia do talk about her. So, she'll give the credit where the credit is due. You understand? But over Tina, the credit mildew. It's not due. The credit mildew. But Marcia won't due.
Early. And when time Tina started her life, she was talking about like she undermined people. That's how I get it. Who for name I don't call. They are not this and they are not that. I suppose I should have picked that clip, you know. That one then stands right with me. That's my opinions. You understand? But all the people there she called that who they on social media a long time, them just come on social media. Them just come out 2 years ago. You understand? Dimes, and it must be the last one come out. And to be honest, Dimes are do damn good. Dimes are do damn good on social media. I mean, I take it back. Because a planker and baker boy will push Dime page. And that's the honest truth. You think said Dimes, I go friend you. I know it's a planker boss not like you. You have something coming, Tina. Stop the dreaming. Stop the dreaming. Tina, stop dream. Because when me see you do, it's like you apologizing and then you backhand it.
Tina past dream. Tina having nightless nightmares. She cannot sleep. Every time she closes her eye, she see 99 in front of her. For what reason, I don't know. But she, in the back of her head with 99, appears in front of her every time she closes her eye. It just coming like when you're a picnic. Somehow we don't watch the Duppy show. Somehow we force and watch Duppy show because we're friend boots if you watch Duppy show. After we done watch the Duppy show, somehow we live all the way around at the back of the yard. We're afraid to go around. We fear, come follow me go around now. And every time we look around there, it's like you see the Duppy them where you just done watch man the Duppy show around our house corner. You see when you eventually go in your house and drop asleep, all of them they sitting there come right back to you. Where you just done watching the show, you can't sleep. Because it come like a big Duppy you see. You call it nightmare. Or that Tina have. Every time she shut her eyes, she see Planka Nation and Planka Boss.
You have to know if you apologize, I have a backhand. We don't understand it because we are mixed up. Truth is truth, Tina.
She want
You
to,
see right
but she
now,
just feel
we
too
are
big.
solo. When we say
Pride
speak
and mash her
justice,
up.
speak justice.
All
Same
you
like
she
how
talk
me hear
about them,
the lorry
you have to
that
be
go talk
mature to
about,
apologize. That means you're not mature then.
never pick up fear. How the hell Master Campbell pick up fear liar like you? Eh? How the hell Master Campbell pick up for you? Enough time Master Campbell them trouble Master Campbell. How many people come up for Master Campbell? And that's the honest truth. Tina don't come up for Master Campbell all the time. No! That's the
Tina don't come out for Marcia no time at all. Tina only use Marcia name to strengthen fear cause. Whenever time Marcia in our feud, Tina don't come out and say even 1, 2, 3 minutes man not pertaining to what is happening with Marcia and whosoever. Tina just use the opportunity to strengthen her cause to point out. See there? Look for Marcia. Marcia, that's it. She not come out come defend Marcia. And me not gonna lie. A couple times well, me hear Marcia come out come defend her. Couple times well, me hear Marcia come out come defend her. You understand? Promote all her things. Me not hear she promote Marcia sheet and something like how Marcia promote her cake. And it's just the truth and in fact. Because that's what they are fine. Talk it as it is, talk it how it go. Split the justice. No, me don't want to use that word, the dissect. You understand? That is what we out here for. Because them word the kind of copyright and me don't want to get. You understand? Next thing I hear Marcia say she name split justice. You understand? So me don't want to use that word.
And it's true. Who want to get this wrong with it? I don't care. I was listening to Marcia life on Peace and Peace. And Marcia must have said that Tina don't. But it's true. Enough time. Them attack Marcia. Tina come out and fight for Marcia? No.
That's true.
How many times I get attacked on social media?
Me I tell you now. She's slow, you know. But you see that one, yeah? She hit some valued point in that one, you know. Me not take it from her, you know. And not because of tea girl she a talk about. She have hit some valued point into this video. Probably this might be one of the best videos she ever do since she did on social media. She do hit some valued point. Despite some part of it along the way, she kind of rocky still, but she hit some valued point here.
Tina come out and fight for me? No. Tina talk about it? No. But much time he come out with me enough self. With me enough self. Like yesterday, me they attack Tina and Ray Ray.
Zion! I can't believe this. Zion!
It's about split justice. If you like a person, you tell a person to the truth. If me care for you, me I tell you the truth because you're not put food on my table. You understand? Split justice. Everybody make mistake in a social media. Everybody make mistake. Me myself cause people. Me myself say me cause Blanca, but me not cause Blanca like say she's a scam and all of that. That's not my taking. My taking in Blanca boss, they say you're too fat, you eat too much man, cut down on your food in a you understand? Them they are my little thing. Me not cause Blanca.
So basically, you want the job to be planka shop or planka boss nutritionist. Okay. Do you have any qualification to be a nutritionist? Do you have any diploma, degree? Eh? You can apply for the job, you know. Any job you see out there in the world, you know, and you have the qualification, you can apply for it. But your application don't must accept it. It can stop right at the front desk. It no must reach my office. It no must reach HR. It stop right at the front desk, secretary in the rubbish pan. Because you know, I saw a system running. Versus secretary look pan you and they too like how you look. That the application then now reach HR much as you reach around a boss office. Right now the dirt pan. Cause it come like you want to be planka shop or planka boss, nutritionist. You can't tell the woman what to eat, when to eat. How often do you see this woman eat? You see the woman come on live and she eat something, you feel like say that is what she eat for all the days of her life or all the days of the week. You feel like at the 50th, 60th time that she eat. You understand what I say? And this is the part where I say sometimes you're rocky in this video, yeah? But you know, I one of the best videos you really do.
Like how they would have said, yeah man, yeah this man, yeah that man. No, I don't do that. I don't do that part. You understand? They were criticized, of course.
And the funniest thing, you want to be 99 nutritionist because that's what it seems. But yet still, Marcia will eat like a farmer cow. Anything. Me never hear you come out yet and say Curly that no good. watch your weight. And when I say watch your weight, Curly, I mean that's why you have to carry it in front of you. You understand? Because you could have said watch your weight, and Curly take your hand, Because too, she know she carry fear weight in front of her, that big belly there. She feel like that you mean when you say watch the weight. She put the weight in front of her and have the big belly in front of her. Me never hear you come out here come tell Curly I want to be Curly nutritionist. See why the Curly clip says she exercise and she eat right? Only for a week. It's just for the camera. It's just for content purposes. When last you see Curly go exercise? When last you see Curly say she drink this and she eat that and she drink this tea? All these things that Curly they talk about a couple weeks ago. It just drop off of the table and drop in the rubbish pan. I mean, you come out and want to be Curly nutritionist. But 99, when you're not a friend. You're not acquaintances. You're not chat or link on phone. A fear. A she want a nutritionist. Sir.
And when I criticize her on her weight and the way she will eat the food. And me is about healthy living and healthy lifestyle. Everybody know that. Me is about healthy living and healthy lifestyle. But how Tina make it look now, she's a victim. Everybody is a victim.
Nothing strange.
Nobody not innocent.
She always do that. Nothing strange.
Nobody innocent on social media. Everybody trouble people to get views and all of it and chat rubbish. Even they don't.
Me not trouble nobody, me just dissect people.
You understand? And that's the honest truth. Me not block nobody on my social media.
And then when me dissect, they might not like it and they might come at me and me have to defend myself. Self-defense.
But when I come to me, let me understand when me say wrong. Let me understand. Because how me see how Tina do it now. Tina, me not understand. Me not understand ya. Anybody want mix right now. Me not understand Tina. Tina don't understand you. You talk about Baker boy. You never forgive Baker boy. And this. You not forgive and Planka boss. But Baker boy and Planka boss are friend. No, you call dimes. Where your dimes did have? Where your dimes are Tina? Me never know say your dimes was friend. Me never know say your this Sandra was friend. All of them people them where you call Lady V and all of them people there. Does it make sense? It makes sense. They are a part of Planka. And once a person benefit from somebody, you think they will give up that benefit for you? You not promote them page, Tina. Tina, you don't really promote people page.
True.
Every time people
True.
promote it, and that's the honest truth, Tina. That's the honest truth.
Tina feel like she must be the only business person in here. So what you think? If she are thinking like that, you feel like she going to promote you. She not promote you. Me just telling her who she will promote. She will promote somebody who she think is going places, who is already in certain category, mixing with a certain category people, and she sit and she observe and realize, wow, this person is going places. Just as I said with Shot Nowhere, she said he's with the Jamaica Tourist Board and stuff. So, those are the people who she will quit. But like all people like you with the on fear level. Marcia with the on her level. If Marcia never did to buy that cake from she for her gala last year, you will never see she post a flyer or anything for Marcia. It's all because Marcia bought that cake from her. That funeral cake for a birthday or a gala or an anniversary. Because I don't know you have to make funeral cake for birthday, funeral cake for gala, funeral cake for anniversary. And it's not a death anniversary. You understand? If it's a death anniversary, now me could have see. But how can you make a funeral cake? You understand? And because she do that now, during that period of time there, support Marcy sheep business, support Marcy, this, that, parallel, and she promote the gala for a little while. When last year she talk about Marcia? When last?
Yesterday me tell her say Tina. Yesterday me tell her say them just come past social media. Them a sell wig. Them a sell clothes. Them a sell this. You cannot sit down and sell pudding. But come past social media and say yesterday, go sell t-shirt, go sell clothes. Your daughter have hair shop. Go sell wig. Go sell them something. You know
She born a failure. It's not say she not try, but she born a failure. There is so many things she tried, but she just born a failure. You know, see, even recently, much things she had tried, back to back, travel vlog. First, I think was Amazon, travel vlog. Then she said she gonna sell online clothes. That are 3, you know. And what again? Must be about 2 more sitting. Which one of them you say manifest? Which one of them you say come to perfection? Not really, perfection is not the wrong word, because it's not like it did happen and it not work out. Which one of them you say come to reality? All these things is in the back of our head. What me say? All these things is in the back of our head. Tina is just a trickster. You understand? This morning, you're 99 tell upon the live. Tina tell her how much she are going to keep a motivational seminar, and she want 99 to be a guest member, speaker. Because during that time, she see where the Planka Nation is going with 99. But in the back of your head, a promotion she look. You understand? She are looking promotion. But as me say, it still never manifests, it never come to reality. What Dana say she do? She call her and tell her, say, oh, you know, say chance it never go bother keep. Nobody ever keep from morning. She remind me of one of my brethren. I'm kind of sick in me, but a man who love music and party. The man go about, you know, hear me talk this already, and print up 1 bag of posters, say, them kind of bodyguard hot. Say, man go keep bodyguard. And the man go as far as print the posters them and put them out. But that was in the back of his head. But it wasn't a reality, say, man go keep bodyguard. So a Tina that she don't know, say, that sermon, but what she just want to use auntie name to get a kickstart and try to put fear name out there more. Because them say them there before auntie, you know. You understand? So that's simple it. Tina no want to see nobody business thrive. And as Tina see a business, she run against. You hear that I tell you again? What happen? You no need me to tell you, no go in the live, go listen. Tina just run against everything when she see people do and try to do it. Oh.
These things. Me not really know how.
Hey, what sweet me, you know, this man now when Dana say. Oh, me? Me bake my sitting them from scratch. Nobody now see me I get cake, I put pile up on top of cake and a wise cake and a real round cake. Me bake me sitting them from scratch. Nobody can see when I bake when I sitting them from scratch. Hey, I laugh, you see. Zaya! Hey, and I have bad for your mouth, you know, that I say, oh, bill yourself. You know, say me bill till me a bill over. Then I say, you have to bill yourself, man, bill yourself. Eh? When me could have go to find a fight if I me bill till me a bill over. Then I have bad for your mouth, sir. If I jubilee your band, it come like a the dental ward your band, you know. Whether not cake season for Tina or bring down season. Whether not bring down season or passa season. That's all the season she have.
If you want your page to grow, just say me love Planka. Boy, me love Planka. Every day talk good about Planka. And if Planka say you talk about her and she promote.
So how you know all of this? And you choose the wrong road. It come like you know better than Tina, you know. And when you find out all of this, recently, it's just like last week. No, so you find out this long time. If I ever went and kick you off a bus over tell like camp or you jump off a wall, you're supposed to find out this. and you go right back to square one. So me not understand, you know. That's why I say confusion in a John shop, not planker shop, John shop.
Your page, no wrong with it. No wrong with it. You understand? And if them the person with a plank and promote them page, them are gonna fight fear. Justice, man. Split justice. Split justice. Guys, run over master sheet and go buy a master sheet, them guys. Curl it to the world. When go over curl, go
Wow.
buy out curly
Oh,
sheet.
you mean promote your
Split
friend, yes,
justice,
because she
man.
stand
Split
with you.
justice, man. Fear
From
is
Letter
fair.
Day Saga,
Look how
she
many
stand with
people
you.
cuss out Marcia Campbell. Every day, if Marcia don't come out with something, they don't have a content. There is no content. Then cuss Marcia life, rest and center, right, left and center. You understand? Marcia get a
The
lot
master cast all of them sitting upon herself.
but sometimes
A social media, this, you know. Oh, where you think the platform will name? Content creator. So for you give content or gear content, them are going to take it.
And you know, so you will not go diplomate there, them are going to eat your backside. Even with myself, this is people's story. I will go dip in a hit and get beaten. So we have to accept it. You understand? Sometimes we need to see people business and leave it alone. We need to see people business and leave it alone. But some people can't see people business and leave it alone. We can see it and leave it alone from that we talk about.
Lie.
You understand?
And you touch my everything, so.
All it do I bring me misery. Me want when night come, me can't sleep and enjoy my life. Me can't make social media take over my life. A lot of people spend so many time on social media when they could be selling clothes. Me look on Dime. Dime might think say, I hate her. No, I don't hate Dimes. I admire Dimes. I admire Dimes. It's only thing me not like with Dimes. When people come on her platform and they might say something to her, she's like she want to insult them. No, customer service come first. If you don't have customer, you can't.
It's not what you say, it's how you say it. You understand? It's not what you type, it's how you type it. And that's why I always tell people, say, when you go into the comment section, make sure you type what you type so you have understanding of what you type, say. Because, you know, I don't want to read what you type the wrong way. Most people have a tendency to also that them watch a live or like on me with a video me do. And them watch a video. Me might talk something in the video when me don't even remember what I hit them a comment about. But at the same time, based on the comment where they make, when me read the comment, me I say, how are this? But they are referring to something that I have said in the live about the person that I am talking to. But at this time when me I read it, it would want to come like I me them talk. Sometimes if it's not a name that I used to, when me can say, boy, okay, is either this is a type of error or almost something else when me saying in the video further up when me no remember them I talk about. And that's why I always say, stay clear in the comment section because people can get misled of what they read at the present moment. You understand? Because sometimes me myself, trust me, sometimes I just pass some of them and me never really know the name, no familiarize with the name, and me just somebody hand side, trust me.
Sell your goods. Even if them rude, you just be nice to them. Customer service come first, and them I put money in your pocket. Higher level now. I don't blame your Dimes. You're really going to a higher level, and that's the honest truth. You really are go higher level. Me hear Dimes come when she just.
And where is Tina now? Planka boss says she's still there. She's there from day one, boy. She's such a big deal, like our friend Kakai. But she don't move one bit. And I couldn't say it any better this morning.
Be careful what you say. Know where you're coming from. Not because you're going to plank a shop and you reach the top of your feet so you reach. You can't drop with a dumb buff and tumble down the hill. You saw your big? Yes. You saw your body big and round? Yes, like a breadfruit? Yes.
You love what you size a woman now. You come like you're feminine, you know, mine, you know.
But Tina, you must understand.
Drape her up.
Me I get seal. All of them same thing there. And somebody over the fence. They think say me not go take off for my boss. You know, see, I'm my boss I bring me people. So why not go take off you over the fence? That makes sense? Come man, split justice. Guys, comment. Comment man. Me don't know if me a talk. Me don't know if me I say the right thing. Me a correct me. Me not say nothing more. Correct me.
So far, as me say, it's one of the best videos you do, although you still have a little rocky patches. You know, because that might come along when your slowness take you. Yeah, because you're born slow enough, so it might come along when your slowness take you.
Correct me. Let me hear what this one you say. Correct me. Curly, I pick me up. Curly, I make my clothes I sell. Curly, I do everything for me. You know, things say me I go support Curly. You support who support you. You support who support you. I saw the thing set. Split justice. If nobody now support you, where you support them from? Every time you support a person, you share out a person. They never can congratulate and say, share out a person, yeah, go follow this, go follow that, go follow this. Fear is fear. Split
True.
justice. Let me
True.
be honest with Tina Chin today. Tina, you want vex your vex. You don't really
True.
share with people page. You don't really go say follow this and follow that. You have a lot of following. If you'd have copied Dana's style, maybe you'd have reached further. Sometimes you have to copy. Sometimes you have to see something in your life and change it. Sometimes if you sell something you not sell, you say I want to sell the same thing. You say to yourself, how Blanca cake can sell so? You go look into yourself. What she do if you have so much customer? You know why? Because guess what? She go share out people page. And every page when she share out, you almost say Blanca cake, Blanca t-shirt, Blanca t-shirt. Them a advertise for them bar. And if Tina you that do that tragedy like that with Blanca do, you come out and you see her one day build up in page and whatsoever, you know, things them say Tina cake. How much time you put
Hey, all I go know people, me tell you, when we get the full understanding of this and me listen to that video, you know, we should fact share talk. You know, really get to our nerves. Tina now promote her. In the sense of the same sharing a page. You know, Curly come out and say, go follow Sophie. Go follow what? Pretty Sophie. Go follow Sophie. Wait. You nah hear Tina say that. And it's true. And when me listen to the left like that video, how she talk and every time she try to bring across or she bring across, that is what she are trying to say. Tina selfish. Curly that come out and come pick up for Tina. Tina now come out and come pick up for Curly. She that pick up for Tina. That is the Sophia donkey. We pick up for Tina. Tina now come pick up for her. And it's true. Tina is very selfish. Tina just feel like say she should be the only one in the world. She should be the only business person. Tina just feel like she should be at top and look down upon you. That's the mentality me get from Tina. That's the mentality where she have. That is what me get from Tina. That is the mentality. She want the at top. She if up the so and look down upon you. The only person supposed to see her must gather him disciple and angel them. Yes, man.
my page, Tina cake. And when nobody do business, Tina, you not show people page. So nobody now go support you that much, Tina. You know when people always say in the comment, every time you watch other people comment that you are selfish. Everywhere you go, Tina selfish.
That's true. It's evident. You don't need a microscope to see it. That's true. All for herself. She's all for herself. But she a people person and she loving and she love people. Which part?
Take a leaf out of Planka book. Me I take leaf out of Planka book as well. You understand?
Which one I leave them here take?
You now go apologize to Planka. You now go apologize to Baker Boy. Remember Baker Boy and Planka so. You think say dying, I go friend you. I know say
Who done Tina wrong? I just say, me no say I idiot too, you know. Instantly me a block that person there, or time them out. It might not warrant a block because everybody have them opinion. But me a time me out. Because in truth and in fact, you're not split no justice. Oh, you mean them all done Tina wrong? You see, people like you will just make a comment there. And people like you, Tina, get an hook up, wind up, and get in on her head. And make una and go with the impression like, yes, she's the victim at all times. Because you can't be somebody who see this whole history of this woman in social media. It's not gone away. All you got to do, you know, go up on your phone, go in a go up on YouTube, and up at the top here, so just like you Google, you see the mic, you press the mic, and when you press the mic, and when you press on the mic, you just say Tina Chin. And once you say Tina Chin, remember now, you know, it's not fear page that come up, you know. But every single altercation and problem we she have in her phone out there with people, you just see one long line and see to come up so long like from Canada border to America border. Long from out of 6 Mile, straight back to Coronation Market, one long line and see to come up so. And you really go in the comment and say that? What's about this one person that 100 and add nearly 200 somebody and she have the same type of problem? If me go over there so and me go cross a yard and me can identify say this one person every minute them and people in an argument. People from near, people from far, people who don't know them. And every minute you see them and people in an argument. Me don't want to know how it started, I tell you honestly, you know. Because of one thing me I go think now. Them are the problem. People from near and far, people who don't know them. You and them in an argument. Over and over every minute me pass you and people have a problem. And the people them are the problem. And you are the problem, man. You just want somebody against 100 and hard. And you're really going to comment and write that. You want them a Tina brainwash.
Everybody do people wrong, man. Story done. Is to forgive and move on. Talk truth. I used to be on Tina page every day, and I asked Tina to talk about my page, and she never doing true. Thank you, Vic. That's the same thing I am saying. Real talk I always support. Guys, real talk, yes sir. All who want block me, I don't care. Real talk, me I talk right now. I don't care. Guys, go and follow Vanessa. She's a new blogger on Facebook.
Hey, earlier on when she talk about Dana eat too much on the ear, me I talk, oh she not tell Marcia. I look down on the phone and see one comment stand up in my face. So they hear the comment. If you are about healthy living, split justice, why not tell MC she eat too much? Question sign. She eat away more. Come on, man. Pato and mix up. She eat way more than DMG, but you never see that we talk about that. That's a fact. And this is why I'm telling you, say, this is one of our best video despite she have some look rocky in it. Yeah man, cause right that's how that person you type and the same thing me just say a while ago, me just see it. Serious. Cause me never used to tell Marcia about her eating habit yet.
Page from Vanessa and learn from it as well. I can go over.
And Marcia have her weight carry in front of her through doctor said to watch her weight. She put it in front of her and watch it. And it will get bigger and bigger.
Tina page, and she will never acknowledge me, and that's the honest truth. Me go on Tina page and morning,
see,
and
me tell
Tina
you,
jump over
this is
it,
her problem.
you and underneath it.
Tina won't acknowledge
You
her. That's the
understand?
truth. She not acknowledge her body.
That's the honest truth. Truth is truth. Who want Bex? I don't care a damn. I don't care a damn. Tina, don't play a victim. Don't play a victim. You as bad as them. You as bad as them. Truth is truth. Truth is truth. You understand? Me no see Tina take up nobody page. And I advertise it. And say go follow this. Go follow that. Mrs. Shah do a good job and all of these things. Everybody a pick up for Tina, but Tina gonna talk about, oh, Dimes, this a one day, and all who not hear them name, them below level. Yes, me not me feelings. Me not me feelings. Yes, me not me feelings. And the words when you use is wrong bang. The words
Me in my
when you
feelings.
use is wrong bang. And the reason why you call Curly name Tina, the reason why you call Curly name, when you call out the first set of name them, and somebody write it in the comment, and then you say Curly. Curly should have been the top on your list.
Alright. Me now go say somebody right now the comment. But same like how she a think, when I hear it, at the same thing me say, so she not put Curly in it. Because basically, to how she attack Curly should have in this. I mean you should call Curly in the first part. But me don't know if somebody in the comment said she said, me don't know. But I was saying the same thing as she. And when she come back the second time, it's like she catch up to Ratty, but me not call Curly name. And she recall the names them. And so she add in Curly. So this is another part of the video where I was saying the same thing where the donkey I say I saw to true.
Marcia should have been the top on your list. But when somebody writes in the comment, then you say, Marcia, come on, Tina, do better than that.
I feel like she realized that she never called Marcia name. And if Marcia if hear this video or somebody for screen record or send this part of the video at the time go give to Marcia, I know Marcia wouldn't sit well with it. Because based on why she said what she said, it is clear that Marcia would have said, but wait, she not rate me then. Or she not fit me in this. Plus what she gonna say, anybody else when I hear them name is below she. She not recognize. She not this, she not that. So if she never end up calling Marcia name, me can tell you. You see that little sitting here where we are look a long time with Marcia and she, probably it would have just come out. So it's like she reflect back and realize that she never said Marcia name. And based on how she finish the statement, it only sit well with Marcia. Oh. So that's why she call Marcia name. Nobody not type it. I just reflect back quick.
Oh guys, go and run over Marcia and support her sheet and all of that. But Planka do it. Planka do it. Big up Planka. Planka do it. Enough time Planka. Guys, Miss Lothian, remember. Dimes, remember. That the one day, remember. And put them on our platform. Look on Tina platform. You ever see not on Tina platform? Tina no hard feelings in a Tina, but I speak just.
The only thing I see on Tina platform is when she stroll through the Gleaner and the Star and the Observer, CVM, TVJ, and she see somebody need help, where you know say I got involve money. She poke herself in, repost it on her page because the intention is clear. She want to be a part of it because it involves money. And you know what that means. She need money. So she look the avenue where she can gain money. The thief money. You understand? That's the only time. Or as me say, if she figure more or less say that individual they can move her a step further because of where him or she there and who the person associate with, she will do that. But otherwise, you at your level, you not see that.
Me? Split justice, yes, sir. No hard feeling, split justice. Tina, change some things about you. You're not perfect. Me not perfect. You understand? You change and do better. Look on Dimes. When you ready to see Dimes a share out, be a boy. Dimes a share out. All who in that surrounding. They work as a team. You know see that? You know see they work as a team. When you work as a team, you stand firm. You understand? Some of them might not be true. Some of them might not be real. But they still
No, 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 no. Make that one clear. When you say she have a big platform, what you mean? By numbers? Must buy numbers. Because the 99 said this morning, and we all know, we all see it. We never need 99 to tell we. You can have a big platform as a business person. And when you go so boom, and post a cake picture or something, you barely can get 120 likes. You can't get, sometimes then I get likes and comment actually a match up. Even up the numbers. You can't get even 120 likes. So when you have to talk about, you have to differentiate. Numbers are supporters when you talk about big platform.
But you never come out here and say, you know what, a little blogger come and running, support that. And when we notice with you, Tina, when people fight to case, come out and say, thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you guys.
She got to tell us that she never said anything to do that.
You come for your platform. I laugh. Nice. When somebody support you, you call out their name and say,
gratitude. Sophie want her props.
Thank you very much.
Gratitude is a must. Sophie want her props.
When people support you, I don't care. We don't care. Thank you when people come out, like how Lothian must sit there on your wedding, you might have wear it, but a lot of times.
Mango woman send for her old man climb a people. Watch him go up in a tree. You know watch him. I say I love this a new phone I see. Because the first phone when me a video I can flip. You understand me can flip his screen. But this a phone I now screen can flip. Gone up with him pick stick and she out a door and talk to church sister. So basically a church sister Mango a pick, Yes man. Because a church sister live in here. Nobody else no want none. Alright. Back to where I say. When she a come in, I will show you her.
Sometimes they comes out on you and we defended you. A lot of times I defended you and you don't come out and say thank you, Sophie.
Wow.
But me no matter that, me just do it. You understand? How many times you come out here and say, you know what? Pick up a one page. Let's live together as one. Unite together as one. It's all about you. If it happy. And stop play victim. Everybody a troublemaker. Every damn soul on social media a troublemaker. And we fast. Sometimes we got to take up people bongo. We not belong to it. Because we fast. Some of them are look money. And that's the honest truth. We not get paper on Facebook.
Boy, you take up everybody bongo still in a Sophie. Yeah man. So you say the thing you really get still if you take it, Because on sitting when me see you come out on your platform come chat and talk about whenever necessary. It's not relevant. But probably that is your way of trying to get your name out there. But I don't think it's the right way. Because up to now your name still not out there. Because your name might call, but not for the good reason, the right reason. And the same person that you come out here and do what you have to do and do it for them. See, they are them you against now, and them you attack against. And one of them this you attack against, And this is somebody where our record shows who she is. But you still see it fit in yourself, it come out, come defend her. Why? Why? On our record show.
Me not get paid for Facebook. Me run over Granny Rebuttal.
That is what you are working towards.
And Granny Rebuttal enough time for you. And that's the honest truth. And enough time the man in the dark can cuss you. And me go over there and cuss him out. And all know he don't block me. He block everybody, but he not block Sophie. You know what the people page me go over there and cuss them out for you, Tina. And I never
So
hear
true.
a but now you're going to pick up Grass Dime name. Lady B. Dimes. Chef Sinting. That. But me not forgive
As me say, Bonner, you know,
Not forgive Blanca boss.
because she
But
not get
remember,
fear
I them on the
accolades.
top of the class, I
A
idiot.
cool age she get.
You know, better
The
you
woman a
fight
come me and turn the screen.
everybody else. And down the line, them they're creme. Oh, if you go forgive creme. And the giant, see the giant there. And the giant, if you go say, Blanca boss.
Mango madness.
Right now, we just, I'm sorry.
Mango
Even if she
madness.
push it back in your face and say your footstool and see there, them have to apologize. Tina, you say you apologize.
She gone around, they gonna catch them people.
That is not apologizing and still holding grudge. You see, when you apologize from the heart. You see like how Baker boy do to me.
So how you did apologize to 99 after you jump off a tail like you boss? And you still come back out and from your heart.
I do not hold on to grudge. When you hold on to grudge, all it do, it damage you. You understand? Forgive and move on. Forgive and move on. You can talk about this, that. When you forgive a person, you move on. So why calling them name? No, you're calling this.
Then you know say you give. Let me put it in your terms, baker boy. You apologize as what you say and you forgive. But you don't move on. Because so be the case, you still a call the man name. You still a call the man name in about 3 different type of name you call this man here, you know. So you don't move on because you still a call the man name. Address the man by either His Majesty, Kris, or the baker from Brixton Cake Shop then. But you gotta address the man as baker boy. What kind of amount again? The next one, me don't remember them like that. But address the man right then. Since you move on, address the man right.
People name now. You know what the cast, you know? You just jump in a hand's space. They ain't gonna rip you. They ain't gonna tear you. Hey, Tina, you just did your own here. You just did your own. You see when you done do this something for the 2 little girl? I didn't love that. It's when you start doing it, you say, Father God, but Tina put yourself and I watch it.
Father God, please don't let me go. Please don't let me go.
What you is doing is a good thing, you know. But remember, they don't like you. And when a person don't like you, you care when you do good, you never do good yet.
Windy.
When you try, they find something to tear you down. But you have to stand firm in the Gideon. It's like you have a business, you know. The business now make you weigh the money where the love to make it, you know. And it just stagnant. So you have to find a way and say, some people are selling same goods. You are selling cake. Let the person that sell cake. What's the difference? What are the tactics? Look at Baker boy. Take cake from England, go Canada, go America. You ever look into that thing? Because guess what? There is a group. They are one. They are one, Tina. They are one. They have a bond. You know when you have a bond?
Not only a body, you know, when your heart clean. Nothing to beat a clean heart, you know. Because all when things end up wrong for you, so when your heart clean, you're surprised you know so God does work a way out. And you hear it say, Jesus, please, how this happen? Because I see myself a drop in the pothole and I tie up and my car I go bust. And the car just shut off right there. Yeah, because Father God say you must go in the pothole because if you go in there, your tire go bust. You understand? Your tire go bust. So it makes sure not make you go in there for your tire bust. You understand? You know see where I go on? Yeah man. Alright. Back to the story.
A bond. Tina, you need to have bond with people on social media. You need to share
Mango
a bond.
madness.
Not about me.
Them they make you can't get a mango
You're the first one come
as
on
early as
social
5:30
media.
a
Yes.
morning. Big old
But a lot
60
of
a
them
day
who
old
come
woman
after
in
you
a
doing
tree.
well
They
better
pan
than
drum
you.
all the white
And
thing
that's
the way
what
you
I'm
see there so.
about.
Turn up on it man.
Tina,
No
you
matter
dey
if
on
she want
social
Japan
media
foot,
too
bro.
long.
We can't
For
set
some
back.
people come 5 years that I do better than you. Why? Why, Tina? Why? Why? Hmm? Why? Enough time they sit down a cuss. Oh, you sit down in a car. Instead you have your bake cake and all of them something there. But when me look on it too, when Kris the pan in live, Kris a bake. Take a leaf out a baker boy page. Split justice as a man. No time you see Marcia with his sheet them and
Pear
his
green
thing there.
mango. Probably just one mango, them I
Tina,
pick
lot of
4 green
times,
mango.
you in your cars
Because
or
of
whatever,
one
and it's same
mango,
thing the
you
blogger
pick
them a
4
say.
green one.
Tina, it is not hate. Them see what you do and then talk about. Them say you will say you are bake and you depend on phone early in the morning I drink coffee and singing when you should have bake. You know your car, you spend most of your time in your car chatting on the phone. And then people ask.
Well, you say, what time she get for bake? As daylight, she go on to Starbucks. And she sit down for half an hour, 1 hour and chat people business. She wake 4:30 in the morning. And at the same thing, she wake up and people like them sit down and wait for her like it's a morning devotion where them have to get God in their soul before them go on road. You understand? So what time she really get for bake? Honestly. But she don't need much time, honestly, because guess what? She not bake more than what, as she said what day, 10 or 15 cake when she have 10 or 15 cake to bake. And that sound like is her max that she ever bake. And probably that only in a Christmas. You understand what I say to you? So she not really need time to bake 3 or 4 cake and a couple of cupcake. You understand?
Assume that you're not baking. They don't know. But they assume when they see Planka Bart up on the phone and chat, but she sell t-shirt.
You hear them the green
Tina,
when them the ripe, them a go flux it.
take a good look at
Them the
yourself
too
in
green,
the
them
mirror.
not fit yet for put on for ripe.
You might not like what me I say, but are the truth. I rather man tell me
Mango
the
have to
truth.
properly fit
Man call me.
to pick and put on for ripe. When you pick mango green so
Man call
and put
me.
it on for ripe, and by the time that
And
ripe
she
it
say me I go down
fluxy.
the hill. But is the truth. Hate me for the truth. But me not come tell the like I'm a bad woman.
Anyway, speak my mind people. As me say, the confusion continue in a social media upon the side there. I want you to remember it's just about 2 years now. Because it wasn't last year, it was the year before. So, yes, it was the year before. Already last year of Corona. I don't quite remember, but it's probably about a year and a half, 2 years now. Dana did come and tell us, say, she got a knee city for the whole of them. And Zion will become calling because she got there to see the whole of them unveil in a phone. And we have seen it. Right now, all the cast we are going in a phone, look upon it, is against them one another. You understand? Is against a set of them where they cling together. And there's many more to come out. Speak my mind, people. I don't know what to do. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now. And down in the comment section, Tamika Douglas TV, Life with Gabby and Chevy TV, give them a subscription. Bless upon yourself. I'm out.